My name is Dr. Henson Henry. Uh, what happened was I was in the OPD and I had a lot of patients coming to me with rheumatological disorders, as any physician will attest to. And I felt like I needed to, heighten my knowledge of what rheumatology actually is. And fate had it that I actually found this BMJ centered study on rheumatology, and therefore I was able to start on this course. And as far as I can say, this course has drastically changed how I actually see rheumatology, and that makes a big difference because as a physician I see a lot of rheumatology patients in between their visits to the rheumatologist, and also when they come with flares as an emergency, you don't see them in the OPD. The rheumatologist is not able to see them in the OPD, they come to the casualty. So this was definitely a big boon to me. And as far as referring patients to rheumatology, sometimes it's not easy because they are convinced that you are the physician that they want to see. So that is the thing. I would definitely say that this is something very good. Somebody who has an interest and who wants to upskill their knowledge as well as their experience in rheumatology should definitely have a look and go for this if possible. Okay, thank you.